Some Fulani people, when e dey for Oshimili local government for Delta State, don come out come riot o. Wetin still cause the riot? Dem say the riot happen sake of say the local government chairman don do wetin dem dey call executive order, take say people when e dey live for place when e no good for them to stay, make dem comot there. The chairman talk am say the reason why he talk like that na to say because of the coronavirus when e dey. You know say coronavirus, they say they like the take place away. Na the chairman say make am talk am. But these Fulani people don say no, they no like am the way we want to do am. Say na ojoro, sake of say if they look dem say they no come from the state. Abeg show us the video, make everybody see am.
Chairman of the council, Mr. Louis Ndukwe, had issued an order asking those residing in the forested area to vacate that place within 7 days or have their structures demolished. Mr. Ndukwe explains that the order is not targeted at victimizing anyone or tribe or person, but to rid the bushes of criminals who've always used the place to perpetrate heinous crimes.
The government, the federal government, state government should come into our aid and allow us as legal occupants of the places we are living in Delta State. They should come to our aid and halt and stop this said local government chairman from passing this his so-called executive order. Whoever is living in any place is a lawful tenant, is a legal occupant of that place. We have the receipt they gave us for each year we pay tenancy.
The ultimatum is a 7-day ultimatum. That doesn't mean that where necessary, some certain amendments or waivers will not be given or extension of time. But the important thing of note here, because we're going to come down very heavily on defaulters. We have agreed in tandem with the traditional rulers, we have agreed with stakeholders, we have communicated the police, we have communicated the DSS. What we are saying is that enough is enough. We don't want to accommodate anybody in our bushes anymore. It is not going to be.
Who na go side now? Now the local government chairman of Oshimili, I've been at the Fulani people when they riot. For me I go talk the truth. As a local government chairman, now you be papa of everybody. And no papa go like make it be say any of the pikin come they sick or come even die. So now the right thing that the chairman they do, as he talk say, make them come out from there. But on the second side, chairman, you go make sure you provide where these people go stay when it better, when we say they go see they safe and healthy. And that will be my own. I beg you, if this one is the first time when you take a look at our video, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when it be DJM TV. Make you not forget to knock your hand for the notification bell, so that anytime when we just knock our tori like this, you go always get them. Whether the Pidgin English version, whether the entertainment version, have been at the main news, you go always get our tori. Now so it reached this week. Una bye bye.
DJM TV.